Hey, what's going on, you guys? Back at you with a very special video because the goats of all goats just dropped some music now. Basedgod. Whoop, whoop. Let's get into this. The song is called Gucci, OJ, Waka, Soulja, Yachty. Basically, besides Lil Yachty, all my heroes rolled in one. So I've literally nobody's ever been like, yo, play that Little Yachty. Nobody wants to hear that. So let's dive into this. This cover is looking crazy already. I have a feeling it's going to be very bitch mob inclusive. So let's dive into it. Please like the video, sub to the channel. Thank you, Basedgod, and let's go. Bitch Mob the album, dude. It's on the way. Oh man, this sounds like some old classic Basedgod. That's what the world needs right now.
Shout out East Atlanta. Gresham Road. East Atlanta Village. Got my money right, I done got my swag back. I done fucked 10 bitches in the back of the Maybach. I got 10
Oh man. It's like a religious experience, dude. Now, I haven't gotten any new Basedgod in a minute. I've been having to fuck my bitch myself for a while, and I'm tired. I'm exhausted. Do you see how tired I look? When your bitch is used to getting fucked by the Basedgod, then you got to start doing it yourself. It really takes it out of you, dude. And yeah, dude. Hell yeah, look at this guy. He's been eating good. He's been eating a lot of ass.
Back. I done fucked 10 bitches in the back of the Maybach. I got 10 white bitches holding up my hacky sack. My dudes rumble in the Bronx like that guy Jackie's head. Out in New York, Times Square with the chopper over. I be outside
Of course, Basedgod's got bitches.
2023, 2 million for that sack on me. Just went platinum, I don't care.
No, that's based. That's positive right there, dude. If you see the Basedgod, you get your forehead signed and you get your bitch fucked. That's what it's all about.
With me. Yeah, cross-dress and I still keep a switch on me. Chopper in a dress, bitch, call me the big homie. Shots in my ass, now growing me some tits on it. I'm the pretty bitch, man,
Wait. What did he say?
Shots in my ass, now growing me some tits on it.
Shout out to my ass. I'm growing me some tits now. Damn. He really is down with the transgenders. Shout out.
I'm the pretty bitch, man, you know I'm the big homie. Yeah, I keep a switch, but you know I ain't switched up.
Damn, dude, this is heavy thugging.
Yeah, the pretty bitch that fucked around and got rich as fuck. Now I ride around picking up money like a Brinks truck.
Damn.
Bring that cash
Basedgod's
in.
got them nipples out.
Get that back in. Count that money. Bring that cash
Look at all
in.
these people just being positive and living in the moment, dude. Everybody's just gonna get their dick sucked. It's just a beautiful thing to witness.
Get that back in.
Especially this guy. He's about to go home and get queefed on. Cool.
Bring that cash in. Get that back in. Bring that cash in.
Damn.
On another
Basedgod
day.
hit that.
Fuck an airplane. Got another show, so you know that I can't complain. Landed in Portugal, then I flew to Spain. Down in Ohio, like LeBron
Damn,
James.
she's getting blessed.
6
Look at it.
carats in the ring.
This bitch is getting blessed right now, bro. That's pretty cool.
Floor, Italy. House in the forest, save the trees. Yeah, I got some courage. Look at me. Basedgod's my friend. Little bitch, my brother.
I always
Yeah.
like knowing, like, if I'm ever feeling lonely, which it happens. I hate to admit it, but it happens to all of us sometimes. I always like to know that Basedgod's there for me. It's a good feeling.
Red bitch mob, and I got the chopper. Yeah, I got my tiny pants on, looking like a rocker. Talking to your bitch, we ain't talking to no coppers. Dinner with the fettuccine, yeah, we some real monsters. Off-white ball, man, with the fucking chopper. We gon' have a party at the bank. What's your fucking problem? We just won another championship. Who gon' fight?
No
stop
one
it.
ain't gonna stop the Basedgod.
Bring that cash in. Turn up. Get that back in. Count that money. Bring that cash in. Get that back in. Bring that cash in. Get that back in. Bring that cash in. Get that back in. Hottest mixtape in the world.
Damn, dude, Basedgod is back.
Lil B, hottest artist in the world.
Look, Lil B doesn't just get his flowers, he gives the flowers to the people. Because Basedgod is everywhere, and the Basedgod loves you, if you've forgotten.
Let's go.
Oh, she just kissed the Basedgod through the fence? Very cool, very based. Damn, she's taking a picture to schlick to later. Damn, this guy's finna get blessed too. He just look at all these people just like aura farming and instantly having more bitches. Look, the youth is embracing the Basedgod. They want more bitches. And that's you worry, you know. You hear about the youth just not going out and doing a lot of stuff. But they want bitches too. Like they're acquiring bitches. This guy's got bitches. Somebody's getting mo bitches. This guy, no, I mean, he probably already had a lot of bitches. I ain't gonna lie. Back up. You'll get to meet the Basedgod. Back up. Back up. Yes, he'll fuck your bitch, but you need to wait. It's her turn with the bass.
Remember when Silk Vocals was
No,
free?
I don't ever remember Silk Vocals being free. But thank you, Basedgod. Very positive, very cool, very fun. A lot of cute girls in that one. Yeah. I'm going to put on my tiny pants and fuck my bitch.